Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with an unboxing. Hopefully this turns out okay. I got a new camera. I got a Canon G7X Mark II. So this is my first time filming on this, and I just got this package in the mail. So yeah, we're gonna open it. It is a meal planner from CarrieElle.com. I have done videos about her meal planners in the past. I will link some up in the eye in the sky for you. But we are going to take this out. That is my invoice. Box on the ground. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. There we go. And it comes packaged really nicely. It's in bubble wrap. Like lots of bubble wrap. Now, since I got my last one, and I'm on my last month in it right now, March will be my last month in the current one that I have, she has come out with a new size. I'm going to take the bubble wrap off and the tissue paper. She has come out with a 7x9 size, which I think is absolutely awesome. Because I love her meal planner, but sometimes it feels like it's a little big. The cover is not interchangeable, but it is laminated. I got the blush cover. So it's really pretty. I like the pink with the like rose gold tint, and then the navy. There is some packing stuff on here. Coil is nice and sturdy. I love it. They just keep getting better every time I get one. You open it up. Says this planner, this book belongs to, and people who love to eat are always the best people. A Julia Child quote, which is awesome. These tabs have been updated. They're so pretty. So you start out with a resources tab. You have line paper, then dot grid. Favorite meal planning, like websites, blogs, recipe sites. You get a few pages of that. You have favorite recipes and recipes to try. You get a couple of pages of that. And then you get this measurement conversion chart, which is awesome. I love this. And all of these pages are perforated. That is so cool. Baking substitutions are on the back. Then you have a lined page, a dot grid, and you get into your inventory section. You have freezer inventory. You have like 2 spreads of that. You have pantry inventory. Again, it equals 2 spreads of that. Spice inventory, 1 spread of that, and then you have another line page, and you get into your meal plans. You have your dot grid here. Your months are here, and I love the smaller scaled down size. This is gonna be so nice. So cute. As always, you have your weekly menu with the date range of the week. You can put your dates down here, put your meals in here. I usually just put dinner in mine, but some people like to do breakfast, lunch, and snacks and all that stuff. And then you have your grocery list, which is perforated. Once you're done writing, you just fold it over, tear it out, take it with you to the store. You can also tear this part out, it is perforated, and put this on your fridge. I do have a separate dry erase board that I use, so yeah. But it gives you, you know, enough for 4 to 5 weeks, I believe, of every month. And then you get the next month, go through and let you see what the designs are every month. There are no tabs for the months, and I'm thinking about putting some on, but we'll see. Oh, that's really pretty pattern. I like that. Yeah, I'm a big fan of blue right now, and like these waves are just beautiful. With the teal. Purple watercolor. Sweet treats. You've got some macaroons, cupcakes, milkshake, ice cream cone, cake, pancakes. Very pretty. I love how she always constantly reinvents these and makes them prettier every year that I buy them. You've got a floral theme. Donuts, which I believe is one of the covers. And then you have some more florals. And I have used like 4 of these. This is my 4th CarrieElle meal planner. I've used these religiously. They help so much. I love to meal plan out a month at a time. And then each week I can go, you know, on the day that I schedule to do my meal planning, which is usually Wednesdays, to get my shopping list ready for the week. And just go ahead and get everything together. We have like this like yellow checker pattern. Reminds me of like a yellow checker tablecloth. Oh, that's very pretty. Her florals are very, very nice. They're not like overly girly. They're very soft and playful. Then there's more floral, like a fall floral type arrangement. And I think that's the end. You have a gathering section. And this is basically for like your holidays, or if you're throwing a dinner party or a birthday party or something like that. Same as always, just scaled down for the 7x9 planner. You have your appetizers, side dishes, main course, desserts, drinks, kids, supplies, and then a grocery list. And of course you can write your event. And you've got, you know, quite a few pages of those. Then you have a notes section, which has the pretty blush heading, and that's just really, really pretty. You have your double-sided pocket, which is also very pretty, and then this is her website address, shop.carrielle.com, and it says on the bottom, made in Texas, y'all. So that is adorable. And then you have the back cover with her logo again on the back. This by far is my favorite meal planner to use, and when I saw this time around that she did a 7x9 size, I was all about it. So this gets a 2 thumbs up from me. I will link her website down below so that you can check out what she offers. She has journals, planners, meal planners, budget planners. She has a whole bunch of stuff. She has really expanded her line over the years, which is really cool. So check her out down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like planner content on my channel. And until next time, guys, happy planning.